All right. So, like last year, I actually did, I think, my very first Nerf blaster video with the little Gatling gun and whatnot because I was having a street party last year. And we're having a street party again this year, and I'm going to keep on going with the Nerf blasters. I love it. Anyways, this was a prototype I decided to make, and it is doing so well that I'm like, geez, I may actually just keep it. So I'll tell you very quickly. I'll put it in the. I'll put the links into some of the stuff that I used. So, for example, like I downloaded, just went and grabbed some zombie clip art or whatever, some free zombie clip art, and then went and used a website that I can split an image into whatever I want, so that way I can make it, print it on multiple sheets and then stick them together to make a much larger image. And then I just took a plant pot, the top and the bottom part, to make the small and the the medium and the large circles. And then this little guy was actually a balloon in here. You're gonna hear, oh God, I hope you hear the sound. It's really cool. And then I just, so that one was just like duct tape roll or something that I used. But I ended up putting some beads inside this little balloon here, and hopefully when I do hit it, you'll hear it. Kind of makes like a fireworks sound, so it's pretty good. And then I just used just chopped up, so I'm sure I could do this a much simpler, but like I said, it's kind of like a prototype thing. And I ended up just glue sticking little bits of like barbecue skewers and whatnot, and we'll see how it goes. I'll take some shots, like I said, and I've also made a bunch of, printed off a bunch of different colored camo stuff and put some boxes in, so that'll be a second thing for the kids. We're going to hopefully let them shoot back and forth. Yes, don't worry, I'll have goggles and all that stuff. But anyways, so this is going to be about 15 feet away. And I was thinking 25 points. I'm going to give the kids a prize. I went to the dollar store with Zoe, my daughter, there, and we went and got some prizes and stuff like that. And yeah, if you hit the balloon, it's 25 points. Let's see what I can do. I'm really surprised at how well it's working. Anyways, so yeah, you get a choice of a rifle or a pistol. I'll try both, and we'll see how I can do. And like I said, I hope to God you're going to hear it. I'll back it up a little bit, but I'm hoping to God you're going to hear. You'll hear it. Gosh, I really do. Maybe I should go closer, and it'll be a better. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't matter. I have to be 15 feet this way. You'll hear it. Good chance. But I'm really impressed with how good the sound of the balloon is when I hit it. But anyways, here I go. I'll just go around and take some shots. Oops, missed. Even from like about 10 feet. Oh my God. Jesus! Maybe I should go back down to 15. Oh my God. This is ridiculous. I am going back down to 15. I am going to 15. I still miss. Jeepers, jumping. There we go. Now I'm going to have to try and hit the main one, which is what I want you to hear. Okay, well, let's get to the pistol. Anyways, I think the kids, I've been having fun. And that's just a 3-panel display I picked up at the dollar store as well. Oh, come on. Oh, well, about the 5. Wasn't going for it though. Oh, so close. I'm going to have to go up close so you can hear it. Jeepers, jumping. Oh, one more dart. I wanted you to hear it. I'll try one more time. Okay, let me load up. The pistol's much better, but I wanted to make sure that the blasters I'm using for the kids are just going to be super easy to use. Anyways, hopefully, like I said, I know I'll be having a fun time. I also want to do like every hour, on the hour kind of thing, a quick draw. So that'll be fun to see who can be the quickest draw on the street. Let's see what I can do here. I'll try to be quiet. Oh, come on. Come on. Jesus. I'm going for the... There, did you hear it? I'll put it up closer. I'll go right up close. Bring the thing so you can hear it. I'm really super duper impressed. Let's go real close. Hopefully you'll hear it. There we go. What do you think of that? Anyways, that was, you know, like I said, for a prototype, I'm pretty darn impressed. Anyways, hope you're having fun, and off I go to Great War stuff.